I'm going to make a bold statement. Nearly every Shopify store, once you cross a certain revenue threshold, should have a mobile app. Mobile apps are just a massive competitive advantage, especially now when everybody's shopping on mobile and retention is more important than ever. But another big reason is cost. It doesn't take a $100,000 build and a drawn-out 6-month dev project anymore to launch your own mobile app. You can easily launch within months for less than half of what you'd make in one-day sales. That makes it hard to argue against. But how much does it cost to build a mobile app for your Shopify store? And what's the downside? Is there any? Here's a ballpark figure. With dedicated Shopify mobile app solutions, you're looking roughly at $200 to $1,500 a month, depending on the features you need and the level of service you get. Now, there's cheaper options out there. Some app builders on the Shopify app stores start at $50 a month. But at that low end, you're probably sacrificing too much. Now, put those numbers into context. Here's what it costs to develop a custom native app, hiring an agency or in-house team to build it using React Native, Flutter, Swift, whatever the stack. The minimum cost you could expect is around $50,000 up front. More realistically, especially for stores with more complex features, you should plan for about $150,000 or more. And that's just upfront costs. App development is never a one-off. You can end up spending around the same amount per year just on routine updates and building new features into your app. It's a separate channel, and it needs a dedicated team to run it. In comparison to what you'd spend for a custom app, $200 to $1,500 a month is a great deal. But is it really that straightforward? Not always. There can be some hidden costs that creep in when you see a pricing table. The biggest one is your time. A lot of Shopify app builders are DIY tools, meaning you're building and maintaining it yourself. That could be 20 to 40 hours up front, and perhaps the same each month, keeping it up to date and in sync with your site. It's not an enormous cost, but it's also not nothing. And then some platforms charge revenue share or success fees on top of the monthly subscription. A 2% success fee and $50,000 in monthly app revenue is an extra $1,000 per month. And taking your time into account, that adds the equivalent of another $1,000+ monthly. It's still cost effective compared to custom development, but it's something that you should budget for. There are dozens, by now maybe hundreds of Shopify mobile app solutions in the app stores. But if you're looking for the most cost-effective, all-around #1 way to build a Shopify mobile app, MobiLoud is what you're looking for. MobiLoud is a premium option, but most of the time, it's going to give you the best total cost of ownership, the best cost with everything considered. MobiLoud is a done-for-you service that turns your existing Shopify store into a mobile app. Your website powers the app, so everything from your site carries over, and both channels stay in sync automatically. That eliminates most of the hidden cost we just talked about. You spend minimal hours building and maintaining the app and building new features because it automatically takes everything from your website. And there's no revenue share or success fee. So the monthly cost is clear and predictable, and it doesn't scale as your sales do. Cost is one side of the equation, but how about ROI? If an app costs you $1,500 per month, what is it actually making for you? Based on the averages we've seen, brands with apps can eventually get anywhere from 20 to 35% of their total online revenue from their mobile app. So if your Shopify store is doing $5 million in annual revenue, that means your app could be reasonably generating over $1 million a year. For stores doing $1 to $2 million in total revenue, you're still looking at mid-6 figures in yearly revenue from your app. And you'd spend roughly $10,000 to $15,000 to get there. That's what makes launching your own mobile app a no-brainer. Below the 7-figure mark though, an app is not always worth it, unless you're running a high-frequency brand in a vertical like food and beverage or beauty or supplements, with a lot of repeat purchase potential. We usually recommend focusing on other growth channels for now. But above that mark, especially as you get into the $5, $10, $20 million plus range, there's virtually no argument against having your own mobile app. The cost is a rounding error compared to what it generates. If you want to see what your Shopify store can look like as a native mobile app, head over to MobiLoud.com. Book a free strategy call and we'll run through your store's numbers, what kind of ROI you can expect from your app, and also show you a free preview of your app. A Shopify mobile app doesn't have to be a huge investment anymore. So check out MobiLoud to see how to launch your own app risk-free.